What if I told you that your trading computer already has more power, but Windows is hiding it from you? Right now, your system is running background junk and visual fluff that steals your CPU's processing power, steals your RAM, and it steals your responsiveness. And when milliseconds matter, that can be the difference between catching a move on a breakout and missing it altogether. Today, I'm going to show you the Windows tweaks that can immediately unleash performance and free system resources. These are the highest impact changes you can make without upgrading hardware. And most traders never even touch them. But before we do anything, quick safety step, we're going to create a restore point so you can instantly roll back if something feels off later. So go ahead and click Start, and then start typing in Create a Restore Point. Then go ahead and open it up, make sure you're set to Drive C, and click Create. Now, you're going to have to name it, so go ahead and name it Before Performance Tweaks, and then let Windows save the snapshot. Think of this exactly like setting a stop-loss order on a trade. You hope it never gets triggered, but you're glad it's there. All right, let's unleash the power. The biggest performance boost that most traders never do is disabling Windows visual effects. Windows loads animations, shadows, transparencies, and these fancy transitions everywhere. They look nice, but they constantly consume GPU cycles and system memory. Traders don't need pretty screens. Traders need speed and responsiveness. So here's how we do that. Click Start and type Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance. But then I recommend you go ahead and reselect Keep Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts and Show Thumbnails instead of icons. Keep these enabled. This will disable the animations, the shadows, and the transparencies across Windows, and your system will instantly feel faster and more responsive. Windows will stop wasting resources on visual eye candy, and this is one of the highest impact tweaks you can make. Next is startup programs. Every time your computer boots, many applications launch automatically and they sit in your memory all day. Most of them have nothing to do with trading. They just consume RAM and CPU in the background. So go ahead and press Control, Shift, plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Now on the left side, click Startup Apps. Now click the top of the status column to sort the table by Enabled. Look at everything that launches when your computer turns on and disable anything that doesn't directly help your trading workflow. To disable an app, all you need to do is right-click it and click Disable. Things like Spotify, chat applications like WhatsApp or Microsoft Teams, cloud sync tools, update agents, random utilities. If you don't need it immediately when you first boot up, disable it. You're not uninstalling them, you just won't load them when you boot up, so they won't be running unnecessarily in the background. Your system will boot faster and you'll use less memory all day. More available performance goes directly to your trading platform. Now here's one of the biggest hidden performance drains in Windows. Installed apps running in the background constantly. Many programs keep running even when you're not using them. You don't see them running, but they're using memory and CPU continuously. Things like weather apps and widgets, communications tools, manufacturer software, media players, and random utilities, all quietly draining performance that should belong to your trading software. Here is exactly how to shut these down step by step. Click Start and then click on Settings. Then on the left, click Apps and then click Installed Apps. You will now see a complete list of programs that are on your computer. Scroll through and choose the first one you do not need running constantly. Click the three dots to the right next to the app and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Background App Permissions. You will see a drop-down menu. Change it from Power Optimized or Always, set it to Never, and that will completely prevent the app from running in the background. And that app will only run when you open it. Now you have to repeat this process, and I know it's a pain in the butt, but you got to repeat this process for anything non-essential. Doing this step all by itself can free a surprising amount of RAM and background CPU activity, and many traders notice immediate responsiveness improvements. The next big one is the power mode. Most systems run in something called balance mode, which limits the CPU's performance to save energy. That means slower response times when the markets are moving fast. Your processor is literally holding back until Windows decides to speed it up. Here's how we fix that. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. Then type powercfg.cpl and press Enter. Set your power plan to high performance if it's unbalanced. If you see a section called Show Additional Power Plans, go ahead and expand it and check to see if you have something called Ultimate Performance. If Ultimate Performance is available, you can use it, especially on a high-performance desktop. If you don't see Ultimate Performance, you can enable it manually. Go ahead and click the Start button and type Command Prompt. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Then, instead of typing a command in there, you want to copy and paste the exact code I have for you in the description and press Enter. After that, go back to the Power Options screen, click Show Additional Power Plans, and you should now see Ultimate Performance. Select it to enable it. If you see that Ultimate Performance on a desktop trading machine, use it. Now your CPU stays fully responsive and ready for sudden market volatility. Now let's talk about browsers holding memory hostage, especially Chrome. I use Chrome. By default, Chrome keeps background processes running after you close it out. That means memory and CPU usage never fully stop. Here's how we turn that off. Go ahead and open Chrome. Click on Settings, then click System, and then turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Chrome is closed. Now closing Chrome actually closes it all the way. More available RAM for trading platforms, less hidden resource drain. Next, we're going to reduce Microsoft's ridiculous diagnostic data collection. This thing called telemetry that is constantly sending system information back to Microsoft in the background. And WTF, that serves Microsoft, not your trading performance. So here's how we turn it off. Go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security, click Diagnostics and Feedback, and then turn off optional diagnostic data. Now disable Delivery Optimization. This feature uses your computer to help distribute Windows updates to other devices. Click Start, type in Windows Update, open Advanced Options, click Delivery Optimization, and turn off downloads from other devices. Now your system will stop donating its performance to Microsoft's update network. All your resources stay local. Quick reality check here. None of these tweaks matter if your hardware is underpowered, and the fastest way to know if your computer is up to speed is to check your processor's benchmark score. It only takes about a minute, but it'll show you exactly where your system stands. If your score is low, no tweak's going to fully fix that. You may need stronger hardware. And if you want a full blueprint for building the fastest possible trading computer, download my complete guide to trading computers. That link is also in the description. Your computer should never be the reason you miss a trade. If this video helped you, slam the subscribe button. I put out videos on performance optimization and trading technology all the time. Download the guide, and I'll see you in the next video, which you can see right here. My name's Eddie Z, and as I always say, may the trend be with you.